In this short video, you will know exactly how to find page views inside the Google Analytics, so you can examine where your traffic is coming from and how you can optimize them. So to do this, logging into your Analytics account, go to the left-hand side, click on Reports. This window will pop up. You will see a bunch of things. Yours may look different than mine, but you can also customize it to show exactly what's useful for you. So to get to the page views, go under Engagement and go to Pages and Screens. This will take you to the data. It will show you the graph and all the user sessions, time on page, event counts. Now, to be more granular with your search on a particular page, you can simply go to the search bar and type in the URL that you want to search for. In order to isolate a specific page which you want to look at the data, what you want to do is go up here, click on Add Filter, go to Dimensions, type in Page, and then select Page Path and Screen Class. And then for the match type, you have a couple options. Exactly matches is exactly the URL that you type in. Contains, any URL that contains that one keyword will show up. Begins with is URL starting with a keyword that you type in. Ends with is anything that ends with a particular keyword. So in this case, let's just select contains. So hit apply. And now it's going to show you all of the URL, all the page views involving that URL structure containing that one keyword. And this is exactly how you can view page views inside Google Analytics.